Good afternoon, YouTube, and welcome back to Fat Cat Collections. Today I'd like to share with you guys another smart home tech product. Now I have to apologize in advance. I will make another video of this one after my battery charges on my camcorder here. I tried to do it with my cell phone, but I don't have any juice in the camcorder, so but I do want to get a review up on this product real quick because the company sent this to me a while back and I just kind of dropped the ball and I hadn't had a chance to review it. My computer ended up crashing. I ended up getting injured. I bit my tongue really horribly. It took like 2 weeks to heal. It still hurts. So I just wanted to go ahead and put up an initial quick review. It's going to be based off just the box and what it looks like on the box, and then I'll tell you about a little bit about the product, okay? So this is the product right here. This is straight off Amazon. This by, and I'll put a link for this product in description. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while, you guys know that I've been working on the whole smart backyard thing, where you can be in the hot tub and control the lights on or off with your voice, all remotely, and just have this very pleasant, wonderful place to be to relax, whether it be during the day or at night when you bring that backyard alive with all the different lights back there. Now I'm continuing to add more and more. I will add some pond lights and stuff like that. And when adding that kind of stuff, a lot of people don't have, like me, myself, in my case, I don't have a electrical box in the ground in all the parts of the backyard, you know, and it's not always the right way of doing it by running commercial extension cords, but you know, it's a way to do it. And as long as you're protected with a GFCI circuit, you're not going to have any kind of issues with that. Now, that's just what I do. I'm not suggesting you run that way. You always want to, you know, if you're going to put out stuff, electrical stuff outside, you always want to have it properly done by an electrician. But, you know, do this stuff at your own risk. I've been running an extension cord out back for my pumps, and, you know, I know what's underneath there. If I ever sold my house, I would have to rip that stuff up, take the cord out and unplug it. But not a big deal because I'm not going to be digging anywhere. I know exactly where things are buried, and it's not really an issue for me. So with that being said, though, this is a great device. Let's face it, when we run Christmas lights, we don't, you know, we use extension cords, and so I don't really see much of a difference there. So the device I want to share with you guys today is this right here, the Benuo Smart Outdoor Outlet, and that's what it looks like right there. You have a power button on top. You have a commercial grade outdoor electrical cord, which is basically what you run anyway, right? When you drape that across the ground. And a 3-prong plug. And then on the opposite side, I know you can't see, I'm just turning the box. On that side, you'll have a covered outdoor 3-prong outlet. However, when you plug something in, the cover, I'm not sure why they even bothered to put a cover on it, to be honest with you. But nonetheless, it has one. So this is a great product for outside because it has got waterproof levels up to IP44. The working voltage 90 to 250 volts. Maximum power on this is pretty large, 1875 watts. Most smart plugs that I've ever seen are about 1,000 to 1,100 watts. This, you can put a lot of outdoor lights on that. So what I've done with this is I've actually added my outdoor I've had these outdoor flame bulb lights that basically they simulate a real flame. So I have these nice fixtures, outdoor fixtures on the fence, and when at night when they come on, either with my voice, I could say, hey, you know, Alexa or Google, turn on the backyard fence, and it'll turn on the backyard fence and have those awesome lights glowing. They're plugged into this device, which is great. I don't have to worry about it getting wet. It's designed to be outside. Now, as an extra precaution with any kind of stuff I think that gets wet, any kind of electrical box like this I have, and I have another smart outlet, not an outdoor smart plug, but it's just a standard on-off switch I have. I actually have a little box that I ran the cords into, and it just helps to keep some of the other, you know, elements off the plug itself. But you don't have to do that with this here. You can just attach it to the fence or attach it to something. It has a couple clips in the back where you can put a screw in and hang it if you want to get it off the ground or whatever. Pretty awesome to be able to use something like this and control your devices with your voice or with your smartphone remotely from anywhere in the world, as long as you have an internet connection. Now, I just want to show you guys what it looks like one more time, and I will show you guys what the product looks like, you know, later on when I re-record this. But I wanted to get just a quick video up. Not too much about the box. It's really just nothing really you know, you guys know I never really care much about the box. It's about the product. But just as far as what it says in the box, IP44 waterproofing, remote control, voice control, schedule timer, energy monitoring, and overload protection. And one thing I do also really like about this device, and a lot of my other smart switches or plugs don't have this, is your energy monitoring. So I can basically pull it up on the app and see exactly how much power the devices that are plugged into this are actually drawing. So it's a great way, you know, to Like with this, I have the lights and my pawns hooked up, and I wanted to be able to control my pawns with my voice and have it on timer, because, you know, sometimes I'm not back there, so there's no point in wasting energy if you're not going to have, you know, if you're not going to be out there enjoying the sound of the waterfall and the ponds. So I have that set up with a timer for the times I think I'm going to be back there. Basically, times I'm at work, I have them turned off. At night, I have them turned off to prevent raccoons from coming around. But it's great to be able to go back out there and say, hey, you know what, the ponds are off right now. I want to go ahead and get in the hot tub. Hey, Alexa or Google, turn on the ponds. They turn on, and so you're ready to relax in the backyard. And again, it also has overload protection. So great device. It's really an all-in-one plug. You do pay a little more for an outdoor plug. They're about, I think, $25, $26. I will put links in the description where you can always get this for the best deal, may it be Amazon or eBay. Again, controllable with the Alexa and the Google Assistant. Just an awesome product. I'm very impressed with it. The only negative thing I have to say about outdoor stuff, and this is something you might have an issue with, remember that you have the strongest router in the world, but the device has to be able to communicate back to your router. So I have this connected to a specific access point that's inside the center of my house, and I'm actually going to change the access point. I just put in an outdoor one. So sometimes the signal drops and you can't control it, but this will always still work without Wi-Fi with your timer. So if you set your timers up and you lose Wi-Fi connection, it's still going to do its thing as long as it has power, okay? So that's one good thing about it. And I think most of those smart switches are like that. But I did actually put in an outdoor access point, which is great because now everything in the backyard gets perfect internet back there. It covers the entire backyard with 2.4 and 5 gigahertz signals. My cell phone seamlessly jumps from the inside access point to the outside access point, and these outdoor devices like the TV I'm going to be putting back there pretty soon, all the different smart switches back there all connect to that access point, and it works seamlessly. So just something to keep in mind, you know, if you're going to put this outside. I have mine pretty far from the house, about I'd say 25 feet from the, I'd say maybe 30 feet from the access point, going through a wall. So it's, granted, you expect it to lose some signal, but again, once I changed over to that new outdoor access point, you'll never have an issue. So if you're going to be adding this to your home, make sure that you have either a access point close to an exterior wall where it's going to be, or you have a mesh network like the Google Mesh Network. You can move those little bases around to spread the signal throughout your house. That can be said with any mesh network. I tend to like to use the Ubiquiti access points for inside the house now. Super reliable, support up to 70 clients per channel or per bandwidth. I've been very happy with it compared to my Asus router, which I just use for the router function now. So, alright guys, well I hope you liked the video. I'm sorry I couldn't show you the plug, but I did show you what it looks like. It's not really, you know, it's a plug. It's like showing you any other smart plug. They're not amazing to look at like a watch, you know, but you guys get it. Alright guys, remember, subscribe to the channel. I'll put a link in the description. If you have any questions whatsoever, don't hesitate to ask. I'm always here to help you guys. Drop a comment and I get back to you. I check my comments throughout the day non-stop. I'm addicted to YouTube. So, alright guys, thanks again for watching. Subscribe, click like, click the bell to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you do want to make a purchase, please do it through my links. It does help to support the channel. Alright guys, have a wonderful day. Take care.